Your gym walking speed is 3 miles per hour, but attempting to maintain that on a trail will exhaust you in 45 minutes. Adrenaline lies to you at the trailhead. Because your legs feel fresh and the path starts flat, you naturally adopt your city walking speed. This is the most common beginner mistake. Hiking is not walking. A 3-mile per hour pace on pavement burns about 300 calories per hour. That same speed on a moderate trail grade burns nearly double that energy. You cannot sustain your sidewalk speed on dirt. When you start too fast, you burn through glycogen, your body's easy access fuel. By mile 3, you aren't just tired. You are physically depleted, shaky, and still have to hike back to the car. You don't need a heart rate monitor to fix this. Use the talk test. If you can speak in full sentences without gasping, you are in your aerobic zone. If you can only say a few words, slow down immediately. To set a realistic pace, use Naismith's rule. Allow 1 hour for every 3 miles of distance, plus an additional hour for every 2,000 feet of elevation gain. This helps you plan a schedule that prevents rushing. On steep inclines, use the rest step. Briefly lock your back knee with each step to shift weight from your muscles to your skeleton. It feels unnaturally slow, but allows for hundreds of micro-recoveries per mile. Finally, beginners often sprint the downhill to make up time. This increases impact force on your knees by 3 to 4 times your body weight. Rushing the descent is the leading cause of beginner injuries. Make these decisions on your next hike. Start slower than feels necessary. Force a 2-minute break after the first 20 minutes to assess your energy, and prioritize a consistent rhythm over raw speed. Start slow, save your knees, and finish strong.